What's up guys, Aaron here ng Team Red Ninjas and magluluto tayo sa video na to. Mabilis lang siya i-prepare and healthy pa. Alright, ito ay ang chicken broccoli. Alright, let's begin. Basically, ito lang ang ating kailangan. Broccoli, ginger and bawang, luya at bawang, breast ng manok, alright, chicken fillet, breast fillet, alright, 2 tablespoons ng toyo at 1 or half tablespoon ng suka, cornstarch, asukal, asin, and also paminta. Alright, so let's begin cooking. First step is to boil 1.5 liters of water or tamang dami lang ng tubig kasi dito natin pakukuluan yung broccoli and yung ating chicken. So yung fillet natin, nilagyan natin ng cornstarch at onting toyo and we will marinate it kasi pakukuluan lang din natin siya for a couple of seconds. Okay? So let's proceed. So once boiling na yung water, lagyan na natin yung broccoli. We'll cook it for about 1 minute lang. Alright? Kasi half cook lang natin siya. Alright, so 1 minute na. And you will notice green na po ang ating broccoli. Pwede natin siyang haluin sa ating steamer. Alright, now let's put our chicken. Paisa-isa lang para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. Alright, so yung chicken natin, 2 minutes naman. Laksan natin ng konti apoy. And we'll be back. Alright, so I think 3 minutes lang nakalipas. Kulin natin yung chicken natin. As you can see, ito, tender to kasi parang na-steam lang siya. Alright, so parang blanch lang yung ginawa natin sa chicken. For our sauce, we'll be using a non-stick pan. Lagyan natin ng konting oil for our mixture. Alright, so mainit na yung ating mantika. Lagyan na natin yung ginger and garlic. Lutuin lang natin siya for hanggang sa medyo maging brown siya na konti. Sasagin na natin yung ating toyo with vinegar. And I forgot pala, lagyan natin siya ng water. Half cup of water. Habang ko yung cornstarch. Itong palapot. Okay. At yung ating sugar. Sa sugar natin, 1 tablespoon maybe. Hindi na karami. Alright. And konti asin. Alright, so habang kulong-kulo na siya, medium fire, tapos lagyan natin yung chicken. And yung ating broccoli. And we'll boil this for another minute. Okay? Alright, mukhang luto na yung ating broccoli with fish or chicken fillet. Tikman natin. Wow! Ang lakas ng flavor ng broccoli. Let's serve it. Turn up fire. See you on the table. So here's our finished product. Ang ating chicken broccoli. Tasty.